Do you ever have a nice pair of oil tan boots, light color, and you drop some food on them or drop some oil from where you're out doing something and you got this nasty oil spot on them and you're like, man, now these things are ruined. There's no way I'm going to be able to wear them for like dressy casual wear anymore, so I'm just going to have to turn them into work boots. Well, you know, we get a lot of questions from our customers on YouTube and our customers in general wanting to know how to do things, how to fix things. Well, in this video, we're gonna show you a real simple method that you can do at home to fix those types of oil stains, and we're gonna start a series of how-to videos, so we hope you enjoy it. Stick along and see how I take the oil out of a pair of boots. See these oil drops from where he used a chainsaw? Got on his oil tan leather. Raw crepe, plantation crepe. Then put your hand inside the boot. And so like if you want to get that off, you can with plantation crepe and not hurt the leather. It just rolls the dirt up, gets it off the surface without scratching or scarring the surface. So now with this particular leather, you can flex it in different directions and redistribute the oils in it and hide scars or scratches or things like that. Change the patina, whatever you want to do. That's the nice thing about this boot. You can just flex it like this. You can see the oil spots are now gone. They don't show up. The boot is healed. All right, so you saw how I got that out with using the raw crepe. It's also called plantation crepe, so you might want to search for that. Plantation crepe is the kind of stuff that you find on the bottom of those Wallaby shoes. Some of the Alden's boots come with it as well. And you know, if you can't find like a place to buy it online, then go by a local thrift store, and I'm sure they got a pair that you can buy for a couple of bucks, and then you just take a knife, wet the knife, and it cuts better to cut the pieces off so that you can use it. I hope that helped. And one other tip I'd like to throw in is if you can't find the plantation crepe, I didn't mention this earlier, but you can take rubber cement because it doesn't bond to the leather good enough, but you can put a coat of rubber cement over the top of the oil, let it sit for a little bit until it gets good and dry, and then just peel it off. Sometimes that takes a few applications, but it is an easy way to do it at home and get that oil pulled out of the leathers as well. Now the rubber cement will also work on non-oil based oil tan leathers without destroying your finish too bad. You will get a little bit of a finish pull, but nowhere near like you would if you tried a non-oil based leather and you tried to use the raw crepe on it. You could scrape the finish off of your shoe, so we don't want you destroying your shoes or boots. You know, the whole purpose of this is to help out. So I hope you enjoyed it. What? Huh? Oh, and another thing, if you got any ideas of some things that you want us to teach you, some little things you'd like to learn, you know, be sure and drop a comment, hit a like, drop a comment, and let us know things that you would like for us to cover in this type of subject field, so that we can help you guys maintain your boots and your shoes at home, and we appreciate it.